Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. In this video, we're going to be making the Potions Class Syllabus, and this is what you would get in Potions Class to basically tell you what to expect for the rest of the term. I originally designed this for Gobstone Alley's September box, but this was a timed exclusive, so now it's fine for me to release the templates for you guys, so that's what I'm going to do. And I designed these with the Advanced Potion Making book in mind, basically. I mean, it's based off of that design, and I kind of tried to make it seem like Snape is the one who wrote this, so it's I tried to really convey his like unfriendliness in this as I was basically writing the content. Keep in mind though, all of the trademarks and copyrighted stuff is not going to be included with the free templates that you can download. I'm going to include my own version of the templates that don't include any of Warner Brothers copyrights and trademarks, as well as a blank version. So basically anywhere you would see that on the template, it'll just be gone. And then you can, you know, if you want, you can add it back in on your own. But I just can't provide that download for you guys anymore because I just don't want to have any more trouble with Warner Bros. I've already had some stuff taken down twice by them, so I'm just gonna steer clear of it, and I'll let you guys customize your own templates if you want to. And also, if you want access to other downloads, you can check out my Patreon account where you'll get exclusive downloads that I am not going to put out for the public. So check that out if you're interested. The content of this was written by me and designed by me. I did use some of Warner Brothers trademarks in there in the version that I'm going to show you in this video today. But regardless, without that, the downloads that you're going to get for free, all of that is my own copyright. So you're not allowed to distribute this anywhere else. You're not allowed to sell it. It's just for personal use. That's the only thing that I'm putting this out there for you guys. So please do not try and sell any of this. With that said, go ahead and check out the description box below for everything you're going to need to make this project, and let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is download and print the templates. And like I said, these templates have the Hogwarts logo and some things that I couldn't include in the downloads that are just open to the public. So you can customize those, or if you want, you can join Patreon. There are a few different versions. This one is 8.5 by 11, and it's 4 double-sided pages. One side is blank and one side has the information on it. One of them is 11 by 17, which is double-sided, and you just cut it out and fold it in half, basically. And then the last one, and this is the version that Gobstone Alley did, it is a 11 by 17, which you would fold and staple. So let's go ahead and get into how to do each one of these. The easiest one we'll go with first, and that would be this 11 by 17 version, which is double-sided. And basically what you're going to want to do is cut off all of the white space from around this. I would normally use an X-Acto knife, but this is going to make things a lot easier for me in my life. So I'm going to use this rotary cutter instead. And once this is cut out, you've cut off all of the white from around the edges, then all you really need to do is fold it in half. There we go. And now basically this one is just a single sheet, which you can kind of just flip through like that. The next one we're going to do is this one, which is 11 by 17, and it is 2 different sheets. And again, I'll use the rotary cutter for this. And actually, I probably should have stapled this before cutting it, so, but that's fine. If you do cut it before you staple it, here's how you can make sure that everything still works out. Fold the pages together like that. And now that we have our crease in the middle, you know where to put your staples. But it is easier if you staple it first, because then you can just fold it in half straight in the middle from where you stapled it and cut them out all at the same time. But I'm going to use my long reach stapler to put a couple of staples in this. See, if I had stapled this first, I could just set this at 8.5 and it would staple in the very right spot. But since I cut some off, I've got to kind of make sure that I staple this in the right place. Okay. Yep, that is the right place. Awesome. So now this one's like a booklet, so we can just open it up and it has a few pages in here. And this is the version that Gobstone Alley did. And all the blank pages would be for like students' notes and stuff. And the next one we're going to do is the 8.5 by 11 version, which is just single pages, which are double-sided with one side that's blank. And then once we have all of these single sheets cut out, you just want to stack them up. And we're going to take a hole punch and punch a hole right in this top right corner. And then we're going to use a brass fastener to fasten these together. And this is basically the same thing that we did with the Gilderoy Lockhart quiz. There you go. Now that looks a little better than having a staple up in the corner, is why I did it this way. And you have your Potions Class Syllabus. So there are the 3 versions that I'm giving away. We've got this one in the description box will be called the A4 version. This one will be called the Ledger Single version. And this one will be called the Ledger Double version. So yeah, the double version is the one that has basically all the pages in the center. This is the same one that Gobstone Alley did. This Ledger Single is just a single sheet folded in half. And I know a lot of you are wondering what kind of paper that Gobstone Alley used, because it was this really nice feeling, almost rubbery paper. And I have no idea what kind of paper that is, honestly. I sent them the files. I don't know what service they used. They used a service to have it printed. I just used cardstock, 11 by 17 cardstock for this, and then just regular paper for this. If you'd like to win one of the versions of the Potion Syllabus that I made in this video today, there are 3 different versions, and I'm going to give away each of these. So there will be 3 winners this time. So this is the weekly giveaway. If you're interested, there's a link in the description box below to enter. Down there you'll also find my 40K giveaway, and that's for a Muggle Magic mystery box with 7 items, 2 of which are brand new, never before seen on my channel, and I won't reveal them until after the box is won and received. Speaking of giveaways, I have a winner to announce for the Crimes of Grindelwald printables. And the winner is Connor Pierce. Congratulations, and I've sent you an email with instructions on how you can claim your prize. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.